Hi everyone, Dr. David Cullen here. So we're here with Arun. Today is his last visit. He goes back to Washington. I want to get your opinion, your honest opinion, how you've been doing. You've been seeing me a little bit over a week. We're kind of on 2 weeks now.
It's been about like 10 to 12 visits or so, around like that. Yeah.
Give or take.
I see some difference. I cannot like, because I usually get hiccups and regurgitation like after eating a little bit of food and burping a little bit of food. Now I'm able to eat little bit more food. I wouldn't like it's not about swallowing, but I'm able to eat a little bit more food without regurgitation or like hiccups or burping and stuff like that. So I'm able to eat a little bit more.
And so folks, he's treating with me once a day and then he's using the Reflux Shield later that day. And he's obviously going to take the Reflux Shield home. It's the only device that pulls the stomach down. He's had a really traumatic history. He's had a lot going on. So his case is not necessarily like yours.
Yeah.
Your case may take longer. It may be quicker. But we're about I would say
Mine's is like 18 years. So it's
18
been
years he's had this. So
Yeah.
there is hope, folks.
Yeah.
I want you to know that. And I hope we gave you some hope here. And
Yeah.
I hope you take the Reflux Shield home and start using it regularly.
Yes, sure.
Continuing to improve. Okay? So, folks, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. If you suffer from a hiatal hernia, yes, you could come all the way to New York, but you can also use the Reflux Shield really effectively.
Yeah.
And it's easy to use, right?
Yeah, it's easy to use. Yeah.
Yep. So I hope that helps you all out, and thanks for tuning in. See you soon. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.